Hey guys, it's Joe and I'm back with another video, man. And hell, big shout out to all you guys watching. I appreciate you guys. I see that I've been getting some new subscribers, and I've been looking at the analytics, and I've been seeing you guys just really supporting the channel, man. And we're on the road to 100 subscribers, and I appreciate the love, man, and the loyalty. I appreciate you guys being loyal and everything, man. I'm trying to work to get some good content coming their way. What's going on, man?
Yeah, you want to buy that and fix that?
Fix what? No, man, I forgot. I'm getting ready to go up here and take care of something real fast, and I'll be back down through here.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right. Today's video we're gonna go and we're gonna check out this heating situation. Apparently the heat ain't lighting up and stuff. I used to do this trade for a job, and now I find myself in the daytime just helping people out, you know, from them knowing that I did it for a job and stuff, you know, especially older people, you know. So if you're an older person and you're in my area, man, and you need some help, you know, I'll be glad to come out and help, especially the older person. We see when we get there. Okay, guys, we done made it to the house. Alright, here's the car door, point of entry. Alright, guys. That's what it be up on the house. Alright, guys. See how tight it be around here when you're trying to get up on the house. I'm gonna have to cut you all off for a second when I get around here. I'll turn you back on. All right, let's see. You guys may not be able to see anything right now, but you can see we're gonna be taking this door off right here, guys. Boy, I tell you, it's tough up on the house. I'm trying to tell you. All right. Alright guys, what I'm looking for is not even in there. Okay guys, we got everything going now. We got the pilot lit. So we're good to go. Till next time, holla back.